This is James with Thermal Battery Systems. My computer is on the fritz and getting worked on today, so I am using a cell phone, but I wanted to demonstrate something kind of neat about our control. As we can see on the drawing over here, there is an ability to put solar energy from either the solar collector into a domestic preheat tank or put the energy into the transfer tank and then into the battery system. And there's various reasons why we select different control operations to do that. So internally written into the script of the control is the ability to do a shared priority that we would run in the shoulder seasons, or we can select to say ignore the battery and only put it into the preheat tank, or we can say ignore the preheat tank and only put it into the battery. And so right now, obviously, I've basically introduced almost everything in the ice water tank here, but I've got the T3 sensor, which would be the solar collector, in the warm water tank. And right now you can see we're running circuit C, so that would be our earth loop. That's running because the batteries in the transfer tank are below the set point, and so it's trickle charging the earth loop. That's why C is running. And then you can see circuit D and E are running. D is the domestic water preheat, and E is the primary solar loop. So right now I've got the thing online. Again, I'm using my phone as the Wi-Fi hub. I've got the system up right there. You can see our logo at the top. So if I wanted to change that, and I didn't want the system to continually be putting the there. So I just changed with my phone. If I said I didn't want it to go into the domestic water anymore, I wanted to shut that off and give up shared priority and only go into the battery. Just did it on the phone communicated with the server communicated with the control, it turned off the shared priority, therefore it found the differential temperature between A, which it was previously ignoring because it was in the domestic, it was in the domestic water preheat mode. So that's where that was at, and again I can check the statuses of anything that's going on there. If you don't have a so now we're back the other way. Turned it back on the other way and we're ready to go. So if you don't have a computer, not only can you turn on and log on to your system with a smartphone, you can actually plug a Wi-Fi bridge into the control, so now it is online and you can see the system status and communicate with it all entirely through a cell phone. So this is James with Thermal Battery Systems. Thanks for watching.